Myocytic ossification, post-traumatic ossification, ossification of the hematoma around the joint. Ossification of the hematoma around the joint is known as a myocytic ossification. It's resulting in the formation of the mass of the bone, restricting joint movement. In short, the joint movement reduce. Cause it is occur in the case with the severe injury to the joint, especially when the capsule and the periosteum have been stripped from the bone by violent displacement of the fragment. It is common in the children due to the periosteum is loosely attached to the bone. It is particularly common around the elbow joint. This is also relatively high incidence in patients with a prolonged and permanent neuronal damage from the head injury and patient with a paraplasia. Massage following trauma is a factor known to aggravate myositis. Consequence: the bone formation lead to stiffness of the joint either due to the thickening of the capsule or due to the bone blocking movement. It causes the stiffness of the joint, thickening and the blocking movement. Extreme case, the bone breaks the joint resulting in complete loss of the movement. Radiologically, active myositis and the mature myositis have been identified. In the former, the margin of the bone mass are fluffy, like like this is the humerus, ulna and the radius, and here is the fluffy bony ossification. In the later, the bone appears trabeculate with the well-defined margin. Treatment: massage following injury is strictly prohibited. In the early active stage of the myositis, the limb should be rested and NSAID, whereas in the late stage, the physiotherapy is due for the regain movement. In some case, once the myositic mass matures, surgical excision of the bone mass may help regain the movement. So, ossification of the hematoma around the joint, stippling of the capsule and the periosteum of the bone, massage, and the neuronal damage of the head injury, which also the causes of this myositis ossification, bone thickening and bone blocking, which stiffness of the joint cause radiological active myositis, and the mature myositis. Massage is prohibited at two stage: early stage, late stage. In early stage, rest and then NSAID. In a late stage is the regain movement by the physiotherapy and then surgical excision. Thank you.